everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the pollen filter or the cabin air filter for a Ferrari 458 from the year 2011. So this is the air filter that is actually filtering out the air inside of the cabin that you are breathing. It has nothing to do with the engine. If you want to know how to do the engine air filter, I have a link down below in the description to that video as well. This is really easy and requires no tools, so let's get into it. So where your pollen filter, your air cabin filter lives on your 458 is right here in the frunk area, specifically right here, so this is where we are going to be working today. So the pollen filter is pretty easy. You just kind of reach in there and scrunch it up and pull it out. Yeah. Here's our new pollen filter. There's our part number. I will do my best to try to find an online resource for you for that, but this came straight from a Ferrari dealer. We can see that we have the airflow pointing down, that's the way we want it, and I like it so the words are facing backward. And then you just kind of want to slip it in. There we go. It's okay to scrunch them a little bit, but you just don't want to crush it. There we go. Make sure you furl the fins so it looks nice. And there you go. Already replaced. It's just that easy. So that's how to change your pollen filter on a Ferrari 458 from 2011. This is ridiculously easy. Please don't pay somebody to do this. You're more than capable of doing this. And I've left links down below in the description to the filter that you can get for much cheaper than you could get at the dealer. And orders of magnitude cheaper than having the dealer do it for you. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider giving a like or even subscribing. It really helps the channel out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.